the wall so tall, it hide the sun. Brick by brick, them take the joy from everyone. But the lion in our heart still a roar. For the people who can't take no more. Babylon walls must fall. Me say, must fall. Them can't stand strong when the truth a call. Every chain must broke, every stone must crawl. Babylon walls must fall. Me say must fall. Them plant seed a greed, but it nah go grow. Feed the soil too pure, Jah light it a glow. Them a count the gold, but them soul them sell. The fire burn bright, them secrets it tell. Rise up, me brother. Rise up, me sister. The fight for freedom a Jawa, it blister. Babylon walls must fall. Me say, must fall. The wicked system crumble like a ragged shawl. Them take and take, but Jah take them all. Babylon walls must fall. Me say must fall. Who build the wall? Man with fear in him eye. Who build the wall? Man who can't see the sky. Who broke the wall? The humble, the smart. Them broke it with love. From we lion heart roar, hear the melody. Fire fi cleanse, blood fi remember. Every battle fought, every fallen ember. Blood and fire, blood and fire. Me say blood and fire. Strength in the struggle. Me climb up higher. Burn down the lies. Truth are me desire. Blood and fire. Me say blood and fire. still cool me feet. Wisdom of the flame, love of the heat. Babylon tremble when righteous speak. Chalice light, it blaze, it glow. Roots connection make the spirit flow. From the hills to the valleys, Jah wisdom grow. Seeing the truth I make you know. Chalice smoke rising up to the skies. It carry me prayers, it open me eyes. Jah guide and steady, me not compromise. Chalice smoke rising, higher it flies. Wisdom like the wind, you can't see but you feel. Heartbeat a drum, it a chant what real. The lion roar for justice, them can't conceal. Babylon tumble, the truth a reveal. Brother hold tight, sister keep strong. The journey long, but the fire burn long. Chalice smoke rising up to the skies. It carry me prayers, it open me eyes. Jah guide and steady, me not compromise. Chalice smoke rising, higher it flies. Them say the world has spin, but me stay grounded. Meditation deep, my soul surrounded. In the fire me find clarity. And the chalice bring the remedy. The drum of the heartbeat, it not stop, it not fail. We rise pon the rhythm, we sail pon the gale. Truth of the echo, it day in our blood. Roots run deep like tree in a mud. Children of the drum, we are call, we are come. Breathing our soul, it not done, it not done. Children of the drum, hear the beat, feel the hum. The spirit of the sound, make we march to the sun. Wisdom flow like the Nile, ancient and pure. The drum speak for we heart, it a cure, it a cure. Pan on the hilltop, them a chant, them a pray. Babylon can't stop the vibes of today. One rhythm, one love, one fire, the drum carry hope. Lift we higher. Children of the drum, we are call, we are come. Reading our soul, it not done, it not done. Children of the drum, hear the beat, feel the hum. The spirit of the sound, make we march to the sun. Listen for the ancestors, them a talk through the beat. Them say unity and strength, it a make we complete. The world can't divide with the rhythm and we guide. We drum at the compass, make we walk on this side.
Babylon can't take away the high them pride. Oh, children of Zion, rise up tall. Stand pan Jarak, never gon' fall. Lift up your voice, make the heavens call. Children of Rastafari, we rise above all. We rise above all. Them growing strong, the rhythm of Jah beating them heart all along. Can't broke the chain, the spirit too long. Babylon a crumble, the fight not wrong. Jah guide the path, never stray. The sun still shine on rainy day. Oh, children of Zion, rise up tall. Stand pan Jarak, never gon' fall. Lift up your voice, make the heavens call. Children of Rastafari, we rise above all. We rise above all. Selassie I wisdom, crown on the head. Roots are we power. Now fi dread. Them take the land but the soul not dead. Jah kingdom a live, it spread and spread. Oh, 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 Them whisper in the wind, them crying at the breeze. Them spirit move like fire, like roots on the trees. Me hear them say, rise up, broke the chain. The blood will flow, no go in vain. Cry of the ancestors, hear it loud, hear it clear. Them voice a guide me, them always near. Cry of the ancestors, the wisdom them share. Walk on the path, Babylon a crumble, take your stand. Them say, nah bow, hold your ground like the sun. Them say, your heart of the drum, let it be. Feed the people where are so far, feed the justice sweet. I want them fight for freedom, love, respect. I want them teach we strength, feed the next step. Cry out the ancestors, hear it loud, hear it clear. Them voice a guide me, them always near. Cry out the ancestors, the wisdom them share. Walk on the path, for fear. Them say, make the future bright, no waste the day. Them say, plant the seed, the roots find a way. Them say, unity strong, no make it free. Me say, me hear them, I can't disobey.
Them chains, they heavy upon me soul. Babylon take the bread, them left the bowl. Me cry out, me call out, me lose control. Me say Jah, make me whole. Deliver us, Jah, we call upon your name. Deliver us, Jah, free we from the flame. Deliver us, Jah, no more blood for claim. Jah, Jah, me say Jah, make things not the same. Deliver us, Jah, we call upon your name. Deliver us, Jah, free we from the flame. Deliver us, Jah, no more blood for claim. Jah, Jah, me say Jah, make things not the same. The sun still a shine, but me walk in the dark. Me heart still a beat, but me turn apart. Them sell me story like them own my part, but the truth living at the lion heart. Oh Jah, me no afraid, me nah go hide. Oh Jah, give me strength to take this stride. Deliver us, Jah, we call upon your name. Deliver us, Jah, free we from the flame. Deliver us, Jah, no more blood for claim. Jah, Jah, me say Jah, make things not the same. Deliver us, Jah. Deliver us, Jah. Me say burn the wicked, burn the lies, rise up the youth, make them wise. Babylon a crumble, no compromise. The trumpet sound, Jah kingdom rise.
the lion, no time for sleep. Babylon are wicked, them heart full of greed. Them planting destruction, but Jah plant the seed. Me carry the truth like the river it flow. Me not fear no shadow, me spirit a glow. Rise up, me people, the time it come near. Break off the shackles, no room for the fear. Dreading a Babylon, me chant and me pray. Them can't hold me soul, no matter what them say. Dreading a Babylon, me roots run deep. Rise up like the lion, no time for sleep. What them a do? Them a try to deceive, but me know the promise, me know Jah believe. Them take away the land, but them can't take the sky. Dread stand firm, cause me nah live a lie. Ay, 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 ay. Them say the roots grow deep, now lie. From the soil where the ancestors cry. Wisdom my tree branches reach for the sky. Them cut it down, but it still multiply. Jah know me see the signs. The stars them whisper time. Dreadlocks revelation you can't deny. Truth of the fire we burn in the eye. Babylon fall when the lion rise high. Oh Jah Jah, guide I. Me no want comply. Me trot through the valley, me no afraid the night. Them said them trap, but me walk in light. Can't chain a soul where a mountain night. Freedom chant broke the shackles tight. Me say one heart, one aim, one destiny. The drum beat carry the prophecy. Them think we small, but Jah make we plenty. The fire burn for eternity. Oh, dreadlocks revelation you can't deny. Truth of the fire we burn in a eye. Babylon fall when the lion rise high. Oh Jah Jah, guide I. Me no want comply.
Them build the wall so tall, it hide the sun. Brick by brick, them take the joy from everyone. But the lion in our heart still a roar.
For the people who can't take no more, Babylon walls must fall. Me say, must fall. Them can't stand strong when the truth I call. Every chain must broke, every stone must crawl. Babylon walls must fall. Me say must fall. Them plant seed of greed, but it now go grow. Feed the soil too pure, Jah light it a glow. Them a count the gold, but them soul them sell. The fire burn bright, them secrets it tell. Rise up, me brother. Rise up, me sister. The fight for freedom a Jawa, it blister. Babylon walls must fall. Me say, must fall. The wicked system crumble like a ragged shawl. Them take and take, but Jah take them all. Babylon walls must fall. Me say must fall. Who build the wall? Man with fear in him eye. Who build the wall? Man who can't see just sky. Who broke the wall? The humble, the small. Them broke it with love. Them strong in the earth below. Blood and fire. Me say blood and fire. Strength in the struggle. Me climb up higher. Burn down the lies. True for me desire. Blood and fire. Me say blood and fire. Spirit free, them can't lock the soul, them can't stop me tree. Raindrops fall, wash the pain from we. Lion heart roar, hear the melody. Fire fi cleanse, blood fi remember. Every battle fought, every fallen ember. Blood and fire. Blood and fire. Me say blood. Me climb up higher. Burn down the lies. Truth are me desire. Blood and fire. Me say blood and fire. Walk on the coals, still cool me feet. Wisdom of the flame, love of the heat. Babylon tremble.
speak.
Chalice light, it blaze, it glow. Roots connection make the spirit flow. From the hills to the valleys, Jah wisdom grow. Seeing the truth I make you know. Chalice smoke rising up to the skies. It carry me prayers, it open me eyes. Jah guide and steady, me nah compromise. Chalice smoke rising, higher it flies. Wisdom like the wind, you can't see but you feel. Heartbeat a drum, it a chant what real. The lion roar for justice, them can't conceal. Babylon tumble, the truth a reveal. Brother hold tight, sister keep strong. The journey long, but the fire burn long. Chalice smoke rising up to the skies. It carry me prayers, it open me eyes. Jah guide and steady, me nah compromise. Chalice smoke rising, higher it flies. Them say the world a spin, but me stay grounded. Meditation deep, my soul surrounded. In the fire me find clarity. And the chalice bring the remedy. Them can't
drum of the heartbeat. It not stop, it not fail. We rise pon the rhythm, we sail pon the gale. Truth of the echo, it dey in our blood. Roots run deep like tree in a mud. Children of the drum, we are call, we are come. Breathing our soul, it not done, it not done. Children of the drum, hear the beat, feel the hum. The spirit of the sound, make we march to the sun. Wisdom flow like the Nile, ancient and pure. The drum speak for we heart, it a cure, it a cure. Pan on the hilltop, them a chant, them a pray. Babylon can't stop the vibes of today. One rhythm, one love, one fire. The drum carry hope, lift we higher. Children of the drum, we are call, we are come. Reading our soul, it not done, it not done. Children of the drum, hear the beat, feel the hum. The spirit of the sound, make we march to the sun. Listen for the ancestors, them a talk through the beat. Them say unity and strength, it a make we complete. The world can't divide with the rhythm and we guide. We drum at the compass, make we walk on this side.
Babylon can't take away the high them pride. Oh, children of Zion, rise up tall. Stand pan Jarak, never gon' fall. Lift up your voice, make the heavens call. Children of Rastafari, we rise above all. We rise above all. Them growing strong, the rhythm of Jah beat in them heart all along. Can't broke the chain, the spirit too long. Babylon a crumble, the fight not wrong. Jah guide the path, never stray. The sun still shine on rainy day. Oh, children of Zion, rise up tall. Stand pan Jarak, never gon' fall. Lift up your voice, make the heavens call. Children of Rastafari, we rise above all. We rise above all. Selassie I wisdom, crown on the head. Roots are we power. Now fi dread. Them take the land but the soul not dead. Jah kingdom a live, it spread and spread. Oh, 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 Them crying at the breeze. Them spirit move like fire, like roots on the trees. Me hear them say, rise up. Broke the chain. The blood will flow, no go in vain. Cry of the ancestors, hear it loud, hear it clear. Them voice a guide me, them always near. Cry of the ancestors, the wisdom them share. Walk on the path, Babylon a crumble, take your stand. Them say, nah bow, hold your ground like the sun. Them say, your heart to the drum, let it be. Feed the people where are suffer, feed the justice sweet. I want them fight for freedom, love, respect. I want them teach we straight. Feed the next step. Cry of the ancestors, hear it loud, hear it clear. Them voice a guide me, them always near. Cry of the ancestors, the wisdom them share. Walk on the path, for fear. Them say, make the future bright, no waste the day. Them say, plant the seed, the roots find a way. Them say, unity strong, no make it free. Me say, me hear them, I can't disobey.
Them chains, they heavy upon me soul. Babylon take the bread, them left the bowl. Me cry out, me call out, me lose control. Me say Jah, make me whole. Deliver us, Jah, we call upon your name. Deliver us, Jah, free we from the flame. Deliver us, Jah, no more blood for claim. Jah, Jah, me say Jah, make things not the same. Deliver us, Jah, we call upon your name. Deliver us, Jah, free we from the flame. Deliver us, Jah, no more blood for claim. Jah, Jah, me say Jah, make things not the same. The sun still a shine, but me walk in the dark. Me heart still a beat, but me turn apart. Them sell me story like them own my part, but the truth living at the lion heart. Oh Jah, me no afraid, me nah go hide. Oh Jah, give me strength to take this stride. Deliver us, Jah, we call upon your name. Deliver us, Jah, free we from the flame. Deliver us, Jah, no more blood for claim. Jah, Jah, me say Jah, make things not the same. Deliver us, Jah. Deliver us, Jah. Me say burn the wicked, burn the lies, rise up the youth, make them wise. Babylon a crumble, no compromise. The trumpet sound, Jah kingdom rise.
Jah plant the seed. Me carry the truth like the river it flow. Me not fear no shadow, me spirit a glow. Rise up me people, the time it come near. Break off the shackles, no room for the fear. Dreading a Babylon, me chant and me pray. Them can't hold me soul, no matter what them say. Dreading a Babylon, me roots run deep. Rise up like the lion, no time for sleep. What them a do? Them a try to deceive, but me know the promise, me know Jah believe. Them take away the land, but them can't take the sky. Dread stand firm, cause me nah live a lie. Ay, 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 ay.
Them say the roots grow deep, now lie. From the soil where the ancestors cry. Wisdom my tree branches reach for the sky. Them cut it down, but it still multiply. Jah know me see the signs. The stars them whisper time. Dreadlocks revelation you can't deny. Truth of the fire we burn in the eye. Babylon fall when the lion rise high. Oh Jah Jah, guide I. Me no one comply. Me trot through the valley, me no afraid the night. Them said them trap, but me walk in light. Can't chain a soul where a mountain night. Freedom chant broke the shackles tight. Me say one heart, one aim, one destiny. The drum beat carry the prophecy. Them think we small, but Jah make we plenty. The fire burn